Hello guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing this slimy slime. Do you guys wanna open it with me? Let's go!
Ya.
First I got my scissors. Right here I'm gonna open cut right over here. Ooh, I can already see it. See? I can't wait to see all of them. See, look! Now we got this orange little packaging. Let's open the cap. Can't open it. Whoa! Here's the slime. Here's a new slimy slime. Whoa! Glittery orange slime. And it's not just orange slime, it's glittery orange slime. It's so pretty. I love the colors, see? I never had slime since I was this age. Oh, I love it. Whoa, guys, look, it's so sparkly. Wow. I never had slime since I was this age. Wow, guys, no steps. Just like it. Don't you guys agree? This is so jelly. Wait, guys. I am gonna cut my slime with some scissors. Will this actually work? It's working. Slimy orange slime. Slimy 2 slime. Looks so. Ooh. Isn't this satisfying, guys? There. It's so cool. I love it. But now I think I'm enough playing with it. Now we're gonna store it back inside of the lovely cup. Just like this. Perfect. Oh, I think it's the other way. First, we gotta squish. So it looks like. Come on, slimy slime. Get in there. Look, it's squirting. Guys, check this out. See, it's squirting all the slime. For now, it's perfect. Now, we're all done playing with it. And thanks for watching. All of these plastic stuff are gonna put it in the trash bin. Here comes the trash bin. Now, because we already got the slimy slime playing, I hope you enjoyed that and have more fun adventures at Aaron Diary channel. And when I get bigger and bigger, we have more fantastic, amazing stuff waiting on my birthday. Bye-bye.